Hey, boys and girls. Okay, so we're going to continue our lesson. We were practicing counting the say 10 way with our straws and making our groups. And remember that you can practice this at home with straws or anything you have around, crayons, toothpicks, pennies, and anything you have you'd like to count with, anything fun. So now we're going to actually work on our problem set where we're going to be touching and counting the say 10 way. We're going to count our 10 ones first. And when we get to that 10, we're going to circle it. And then we're going to be counting our extra ones. And we're going to match that to our say 10 way of counting. So let's try the first one together. Let's count those umbrellas together. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Miss Nakian's going to circle that 10. So I know I have a 10. And then I'm going to count my extra ones. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you can put a little check or a line like we do in class. So I have 10, 3. I know that 10, 3 is 13. But I am looking for a box that matches my picture. The picture is showing me 10, 3. And now I need to find the words and the numbers that match it to say 10, 3. And I see it. So Miss Nakian is going to draw a line from here to the right box. 10, 3, 13. Now we're going to count our cats. Remember, touch and count, and when you have a group of 10, we're going to circle that 10. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle my 10, and I'm going to count my extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time we have 10, 4, 14. Very good. Say it again. 10, 4, 14. Remember that I'm looking for that number. I'm looking for the box that says 10, 4 in number and words. Oh, I see it. So I'm going to draw a line from my picture to the correct box. Very good. So we're matching numbers. We're going to match our groups with our numbers. Miss Nakian would like you to finish your paper and make sure that you're counting, that you're circling your 10, and that you're counting and checking your extra ones. All right, let's go to our pineapple group. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there's my group of 10. And I'm going to count my extra pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look at that. I have 2 groups of 10. I have 2 10s. I have 2 10. A 10 and a 10. 2 10 is 20. Yes. So we're going to match this group to 2 10. We have a 10 and a 10, which is 20. I'm going to let you do the bananas and the hot dogs by yourself, count and match, and have mommy and daddy check. Or maybe grandma and grandpa check your paper. Now, you do have another little check where you're going to write and whisper the missing numbers to count the say 10 way, all the way from 11 to 20. We have 10 and 1, 10, 1. And you can even, when you're counting these, Miss Naki wants you to use your math muscles. Push that 10 and show your ones. 10 and 1. And I would also like you to write the number underneath for me. 11. That would be 11. Very good. And then I want you to move on and I want you to keep going. 10 and 2. Use your math muscles. Push your 10, 10, 2. Yes, 12. And Miss Naki wants you to write that 12. So I'm just going to add a little bit more to your exit ticket so we can check your thinking today. 10 and 2, 10, 2, 12. Now notice they're missing some numbers, and some numbers they have filled in for you. So your job is to fill it in, and you're going to count from 11 all the way to 20. And you can have your mom and dad check your paper. If you want to stop your video and do this on your own, and then mommy and daddy can come back and check it, I'm going to go ahead and finish it right now. And hopefully you finished yours, and we'll do a little check and make sure that you're understanding what we learned today and what you practiced today. So we have 10 and 3, 10 and 3, 13. And remember, it's a little tricky for me to write with this pen, but I'm going to try my best. 10 and 4, 10, 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. Ooh, now it gets really tricky here. You're missing both your numbers, 10 and 6. So next in number order would be 10 and 7. You got it, 17. After 17, it's 10, 8, 18, 10, 9, 19, and you got it, 10 and 10, 10, 10, 20. So parents, it's really important when we get to this exit ticket that we really want to use it to check your child's thinking. So maybe do 1 or 2 with them and see if they can finish on their own independently, as well as with your problem set. When you do your problem set, you want to talk through it, and Miss Nakian always leaves about 2 or 3. You can kind of split your paper in half just to make sure that they're thinking independently. You can check their thinking as they work through their problems. So leave a few for them to do independently. You did a great job counting today the Say 10 way. I'd like you to keep practicing and think about when you count about making a group of 10, and think about adding your extra ones and then pushing that number with your math muscles and saying it the Say 10 way. So tomorrow in math, we're going to keep practicing counting the Say 10 way, and we're going to be drawing groups of 10 and some ones and practicing our thinking and our counting. So I will see you tomorrow for math. I hope you have a great day. Bye.